In this video, I am going to tell you how to connect Spotify with your TV. So first of all, you need to open your TV and use your remote. Click on home button in your TV, and then you need to go to the Spotify app. So I have installed this Spotify app. Just need to open this Spotify app, or you can click on update or launch it. So you can click on any of the option. Click on agree. It will open up Spotify app for you. Wait for a while. Let it open. So once the Spotify app is open, you need to go to the top right hand side. You can see this button, just and then you need to click on login or sign up. So you need to sign up an account for free. If you have your account in your phone, so you can go back and click on login. Click on this login button, and you can simply log in with code or sign up for free. So you can log in with code. So you can use this spotify.com/pair in your system. Now go to the system. So first of all, I need to open Spotify link. So open this spotify.com/pair link, and after opening that link, I need to enter the code which is showing in my TV. Make sure to enter the correct code as showing in your TV, and now click on next. Now click on login, and you can log in with your Google ID or Facebook or your Apple ID, or you can use your phone number, or you can sign up an account as well. So I have already Google account, so I just logged in. I will enter my ID password. Now, after logging in, you can see I have successfully paired my device, Spotify device. So I will now go to my PC and show you how it is working. So now you can see at the top right hand side, let me go there now, and you can see now my account name is showing. I can remove it anytime. If you want to remove it, you can just click on this remove option, so it will be removed. So I hope friends, now you will be able to add and remove, because it is already added. So I can log in anytime, log in with code or sign up. So you can add and remove your account anytime using these steps. So in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.